Hello team, this is a question and answer platform like Quora. So this is a dashboard. So here you can check how much users you have, verify users, email and unverify, SMS and verify. Here you can check how much pending topic we have, approved topic, total topic, advertisement, login by user, like how much users are logged in by browser, OS or login by country. After that, these are forum data you can check, or you can create multiple form. After that, these are categories. So here you can set up your own category, how much category, like science, math and all. Here you can set up subcategory. After that, these are topics. So if any user requests for any topic, then the data will come in. You can approve and you can check all topic data. After that, these are advertisements. So here you can set up your ad. Here you can set up like banner, script was here, then you can share. Here you can set up your URL, so ad will be live. After that, these are user data. You can check all user data. If you click on user, then you can check user's image, tickets, topic information, user information. You can check your login logs, send email, login as user, email log. You can enable disable features. I will show you login as user as well, but before that I will complete my this demo. Here you can check active email to all. If you want to email, then you can complete send email to all the users. Okay, after that we have support tickets, so all ticket data will come here. You can check just seconds. These are pending tickets data. You can check, you can click ticket, then ticket will open. You can message them, you can reply them what reply you want to done. After that you can check close and answer. After that we have some settings. In the general setting, you can set up your currency, symbol, time zones. You can like secure password, agree policy and auto approve. You can enable or disable these features. SMS verification was there, so you can set up your SMS verifications. Logo and favicons we have. After that we have extensions, so you can set up extensions like Google Analyze, Talk.to, Google Recaptures. You just need to add key, then it will work for you. Okay, after that language, so you can set up multiple languages. In which language you are working, you can set up your own languages. SEO manager we have an email manager. So here you can set up like global template, email template or email configuration. So let me show you email configuration. We are using PHP mail, SMTP, SendGrid or MailJar. So you just need to add key, then it will work for you. Here you can check SMS manager. So here you can check your global settings. SMS gateway we have, so here you can check SMS gateway like ClickTail, InfoBip, MessageBird, Nextmo, Twilio and all. You can manage that. SMS template we have. If we need to manage template, then you can manage our templates. Here you can check section. So here you can check contact us, footer section, login section, policy page and all. You can manage that. After that we have some GDPR cookies, system information, so you can manage and all. Or these are for admin, developer purpose, so developer can manage your solutions. Now let me show you user side. So let me log in with one user, login and user. So this is the user dashboard which I am going to show you. So here you can check dashboard. If you want to create topic, means your user can easily log in once, then they can check dashboard, they can check how much topic support, so they can create ticket as well. Here he or she can create any topic like forum. They will select topic title, text, image, YouTube embed video, link in question description, then you can create topic and all. You can manage that. So this is a platform like Quora. So if you have any other query, then you can connect with us. We will help you. Thank you.